Good evening, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I am Priyabrata Saha, BSc first semester undergraduate student, Department of Chemistry. And today my topic, studying the bioactivity of ibuprofen and oleic acid. This is the content of the project, introduction, objectives, methodology used, main finding, conclusion, and reference. And I will explain one by one. First, introduction. What is bioactivity? Bioactivity is defined as a property of material to develop a direct and strong bonding with the bond tissue. Next, definition of ibuprofen. It is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug that is used to relieve pain, fever, and inflammation. These include painful menstrual period, migraine, and rheumatoid arthritis. This is a chemical structure of ibuprofen. RS-2,4,2-methyl propyl phenyl propanoic acid. This is the IUPAC name of ibuprofen. Uses of ibuprofen. First, it is used for treatment of fever. Second, it is used for treatment of back pain. And third, it is used for treatment of headache. Definition of oleic acid. Oleic acid is a fatty acid that occurs naturally in various animal, vegetable, fats and oil. This is the structure of oleic acid. 9Z octadec 9-enoic acid. It is the IUPAC name of oleic acid. Uses of oleic acid. First, oleic acid is a monounsaturated omega-9 fatty acid found in various animal and vegetable sources. Second, triglyceride ester of oleic acid comprise the majority of olive oil. Next, objectives of the project. First, we have used ChemDraw and Pass Online to analyze the bioactivity of the chosen compound. Second, we have done the literature survey of this compound, explain them in this project. And third, we found the following useful bioactivities of the compound ibuprofen and oleic acid. 4 important points of ibuprofen: gastrin inhibitor, sulfur reductase, cholesterol antagonist, and peroxide inhibitor. And 4 important points of oleic acid: lactase inhibitor, gastrin inhibitor, oxidizing agent, and antifungal. This is methodology. First, I use ChemDraw and draw the structure of oleic acid and draw the structure of oleic acid and ibuprofen. And then I use Pass Online and Marvin JS and choose 4 important points of these 2 compounds. This is a main finding. Bioactivities chosen for oleic acid from Pass Online website. First, a lactase inhibitor. Since the beta-lactam antibiotic have commonly been used to treat bacterial infection, a combination of beta-lactam antibiotic with beta-lactam inhibitor has been a promising approach to controlling beta-lactam resistance bacteria. This means beta-lactam antibiotic and beta-lactam inhibitor combination control the beta-lactam resistance bacteria. Sorry, ma'am. Next, gastrin inhibitor. The gastrin system is an important regulatory peptide system. The gastrin system of peptide continues to be a subject of the research. Next, oxidizing agent. Oleic acid is considered to be highly stable to oxidation. Oleic acid has also been reported that isocaloric replacement of about 5% of energy from saturated fatty acid. Oleic acid reduce coronary heart disease risk by 20% to 40%. Next, antifungal. Fungal infection are more prominent in patents associated with AIDS. The treatment of quaternary fungal infection are cream or gel which show various adverse effects on skin. Next, bioactivities chosen for ibuprofen from Pass Online website. First, gastrin inhibitor. L-arginine exhibit multiple biological property and plays an important role in the regulation of different function in pathological condition. Many of these effects could be achieved on this amino acid as a substrate for the enzyme nitric oxide synthesis or NOS. Next, sulfur reductase. The effect effect of ibuprofen on the sulfur autotrophic denitrification process and microbial toxic responses mechanism were investigated. Nitrate removal performance was inhibited by high IBU concentration, and the effect of low IBU concentration on nitrate removal performance was negligible. Cholesterol antagonesis. Presence of ibuprofen molecule in billiards with 0 and 25 mole percent cholesterol increases the ordinary of hydrocarbon tilts of lipid, whereas for the failure with 50 mole percent cholesterol. Next, peroxide inhibitor. Human endothelial cell exposed to H2O2 demonstrated decreased prostacyclin synthesis due to decreased prostaglandin H synthesis activity. This is conclusion. In conclusion, it is now clear that a bioactivity compound is a compound which has the capability and the ability to interact with one or more components of the living tissue by presenting a wide range of probable effect. This is reference. I use Wikipedia, Google, etc. So thank you so much, ma'am.